In this video, we are going to see how we can settle the customer balances and receive all the payments against the pending balances or pending invoices. On 25th of January, it says Mr. Justin cleared all his previous balance by giving us cash. So Mr. Justin, let's scroll up and see who is Mr. Justin. Mr. Justin is our first customer and the pending balance was 85,000, and we might have some transaction during the year as well. As you can see here, on 14th of January, we had made some sales through Mr. Justin. Now he is being generous and clearing all his money and clearing all his previous balance. So that's a good thing, and we should immediately receive this payment. So click on add new from the top and click on receive payments and just choose the customer here, which is Mr. Justin. Now record or change charge new payment. These are some new features that we will learn about later on. But just to keep it simple, I'll just mention here the payment date, that is 25th of January. Reference number, we can mention any reference number for now. Payment method is cash. And deposit to cash in hand. Now it is our choice if you want to deposit it to a specific bank or undeposited funds, you can mention that as well. So some people prefer it undeposited funds because whenever the cash is received, it should be kept there, because ultimately the businesses deposit this money in the bank at the end of the day or at the end of the week. So you can write any memo here, and he's clearing all his money. So what we will do is just from the top, next to description is this checkbox. I'll just check this. What it will do is it will automatically select all the invoices, which means that we are paying for all of these. So this is the opening balance and the payment made is this. So automatically the fields will fill up. And as we can see, amounts to apply is 102,850. Amount received is this one. So just record this, and more button is now enabled. Just click here, click on transaction journal, and this is our entry where we have received the cash. So cash is increasing, asset is increasing, so it's debit, and against that account receivable is reduced. So that's how we can receive and settle the customer balances in QuickBooks. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.